Okay, part two. This is asking you to write out the key signatures for each major scale. Okay, so I'm going to give you a major scale name. I'm going to ask you to write out the key signature. When you're writing out the key signature, whether it's sharps or flats, please make sure that it's in the right order and the sharps and flats are placed in the correct place. It's very important that key signatures are written where the sharps and flats, they all have their specific place that they need to be in. Okay, so let's say you need an F sharp for a key signature. You can't just use any F sharp. You have to use the correct one. Please refer to the list of sharps and flats, the sharp and flat key signatures that I've gone over in class, any of your worksheets, or just any online resources that you can search with Google or your favorite search engine. Okay, so for A major, okay, there are three sharps. This F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Notice that I'm spacing them out one after another. Please do not bunch them together like this. Okay, that would be wrong. Okay, so this is wrong. This would be correct. Okay, F sharp first, and then C sharp and G sharp, and it has to be these three. So the F sharp would be on this fourth line from the bottom. This C sharp is second space from the bottom. This G sharp is the fifth space from the bottom or the top space. It has to be these. Okay, so any other variation will not be correct. G major, 1 sharp is on the top line, F sharp. Notice also that when I'm writing the sharp, the middle of the hashtag, the middle of this tic-tac-toe sign has to be either lined up with a line or the space where you're describing. It's as if you had a note next to it, okay? But we don't have the note, but we leave the sharp, okay? So that's what the key signature looks like. E flat major. E flat major has 1, 2, 3 flats. In bass clef, okay, it looks like this. Also, of course, please take note as to what clef I'm asking for. Okay, clefs change. So this is the bass clef. The E flat major key signature would look like this: B flat, E flat, and A flat. Okay, again, space them out. Please make it clear to me that you know what the order of the sharps and flats are for these keys. A reminder that for this unit, we're only doing major scales up to 3 sharps and 3 flats. The next part, to finish off the key signatures, okay, I'm asking you to identify the major scale associated with these key signatures. All you need to do is just write out the name of the scale. So 2 sharps here, F sharp, C sharp, this is D major. And then 1 flat, this is F major. Okay, I would suggest if you need to, please review the 7 scales that we've gone over, and also use some of the interactive exercises to help you just drill and remember which one is which. Okay? In the next part, we're going to take a look at analyzing melodies according to the key that's used.